Hello my dear students, today I am going to take your English class and your first lesson is the swing. So here you have to take 4-line copy for English first and second, and now I am going to do English first work. Here the first lesson is the swing and you have already learned about it and the explanation part is already done. And what I will do, I will told you how to write in copy and exercises how to do in copy. So here firstly you will write the date. Today is 6 August 2020. Always write full date so that you can learn the spelling of month also. So firstly, lesson number. This is your first lesson, so you will write lesson 1, and in the next line the lesson name you will write. What is the lesson name? The swing. As you all know, the firstly we will write the keywords. Keywords means some hard words. So you have already read this rhyme. So some hard words we will write here, and for this hard words I have given the name keywords. So some hard words I am going to select from the rhyme and going to write here. And what is your work? Your work is to learn all the hard words, and these hard words we will write in this picture. So firstly, swing, SWING, swing. Then pleasant, PLEASANT, pleasant. Cattle, CATTLE. In a line you will write cattle. Countryside, then garden, or you can write more hard words, garden. So here I am writing only 5. I have used here sketch color, but you will write with the help of pencil and you will color also this picture. Now the turn for exercise. The first exercise is complete the lines of the poem. So here you will write the words in this plate. So here I am not going to make dash and the boring things. Here I have make a picture of plate, and on the plate you will write the missing words. So first sentence is, oh, I do think it is a pleasantest thing ever a child can do. What will come? Child, CHILD, child can do. Up in the air and over the dash. So what will come? Up in the air and over the wall, WALL, full stop. Okay. Third is river and dash and all over the countryside. So what will come? River and trees. If you have read the rhyme, so you can easily tell the answer. Trees and cattle. I am writing here on the plate. You will also write like this, and always leave one line after one sentence so that we can read your writing clearly. Fourth one is up in the air I go dash again. What will come? Which word? Flying, FLYING. Fifth, up in the air and dash down. Up in the air and down, DOWN. Now our next exercise is match the columns. So here some words are written: air, garden, roof, cattle, and the next side green, countryside, blue and brown, and you will match the correct words. again and again I am telling you, don't use sketch color. You have to always only use pencil, sharp and dark pencil. So now I'm going to match it. Air you will match with blue. For matching you will use different color, crayons colors, or you can use pencil color. Garden green color, garden will match with the green color. If you are matching air with balloon with the red color, then you will choose the next color for matching garden to green. Yellow, green, pink, any color you can use. Roof match with brown. The kettle in with countryside, like this. Okay, next is rhyming word. Write rhyming words from the rhyme only. So you will firstly you will search from the rhyme. I am going to write here, but firstly you will search from the rhyme. Swing, rhyming word of swing means same pronunciation, which have same pronunciation. Swing, thing. What is the rhyming word? Thing, THING, thing. Brown, rhyming word of brown from the rhyme is down. Third is blue, do, or you can write clue, but from the rhyme do. I am going to write next also. Clue also you can write. Clue means hint. Wall, all, ALL, all. Write in, firstly make the picture of leaf. Okay, and in the leaf you will write the rhyming words, and whenever you are going to color it, don't color on the written part. Okay, only side you can color. So the next is write opposite words. Opposite means the word which has completely different meaning. Up. Okay, so the opposite of up is down. DOWN. Up, this is up arrow. Down. Under, this ball is under the table. The opposite of under is over. Bulb is over the table. Dislike, which you don't like, and the opposite of dislike is like. Yes, like. None means nothing, no one is there. None. So what is the opposite of none is all, everyone, all. Narrow means very thin, and the opposite of narrow is wide. Now we will do activity. The activity is write and draw the things the poet can see over the wall. So which thing poet can see? River, tree, kettle, roof, garden. Okay, so only 4 things you will draw and you will write their name. So here I have made 4 pictures, and I know you are a good painter. So you will draw beautiful pictures. And what is this? River. This one is tree, garden, roof. Okay, so any 4 picture which poet can see over the word you will draw and write. And your homework to do all work which I have given in this video, and do activity also in a proper manner, and send the picture of this work in group. Okay, so thank you, have a great day.